Let's see what Bing has in store for us today. Thursday, 4th of February, 2021. Where is this wintry road? Northern Vosges Regional Nature Park in France. Oh, that looks really cool. I'd like to go there someday. Hint, hint. Grab your coat. See what the weather is doing in your neighborhood. Yeah, okay, weather. Let's move on. Word for word. Think you know the definition? Test your skills. What are the words plain and plain an example of? Homonym or antonym? Homonym, because they sound the same. Antonym is opposite meaning. No. It means different things, right? Because here, two words having the same pronunciation but different meanings, origin, and spelling. This one has the same spelling but different meaning and origin. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. It helps make it our thumbnail anyway. Oh, alright. And let's see. Because if this is the homepage quiz, I like to start here anyway. This or that. Earn 5 points per question, up to 50 points total. Assume it said when you answer correctly. When you answer. Which bridge was completed first? Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel or Zakim? Let's say Chesapeake Bay. Just because I've heard of it a long time ago. Correct answer. 1 of 1. April 1564. Oh wait. Zarazano Narrows Bridge or John James Audubon Bridge. The Audubon. Okay. Is that Audubon? Is that not in Germany? Okay, I want to click on this just so I can see. That's not right. Mississippi River. Don't know how to say that. I'm not gonna try. San Francisco Oakland Bay Bridge or 7 Mile Bridge. Well, I want to see where the 7 Mile Bridge is. That's wrong also. May 24th, 82. Okay, that is an awesome date. Yeah. Florida Keys, Monroe County. It's Key and Middle Keys to Little Duck Key and the Lower Keys. I want to probably not really understand about the keys. Walt Whitman Bridge or Arthur Ravenel Jr. Bridge. I've heard of Walt Whitman, so. Oh wow, look, I got something right. Mackinac Bridge or Pennybacker Bridge. I have to choose Mackinac. Zapanzi Bridge or Fred Hartman Bridge. This one sounds cool. They both look cool though. Sunshine Skyway Bridge or Pulaski Skyway. That is a really cool picture. Nope. April 20th of 87. Hernando de Soto Bridge or DeSable Bridge. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one just because it opened. Oh, well, look, we got one right. Rachel Carson Bridge or Commodore Barry Bridge. Yeah, I'll choose Commodore Barry. Nope. February 1st, 74. One more. San Diego Coronado Bridge or Tacoma Narrows Bridge. Let's choose Tacoma. Yay! 6 out of 10. Let me know if you got any more right than me. And also, I want to say thank you to my subscribers because you encouraged me to continue making these videos. Okay, homepage quiz. This wintry scene is in northern Vosges Regional Nature Park. What country is that? That must be in France. I knew that off the top of my head. Yes, that was a joke. Tucked away. Oh, 92% got this right. Probably because they read the little note too. Tucked away in the northeastern corner of France, Northern Vosges Regional Nature Park was established in 1976. Oh, that's an interesting year. The lark found here is a species of bird wildcat tree. I thought a lark is a bird. I don't see any. Oh, dude. Okay, I'm gonna pick bird anyway. Tree. The lark is a type of conifer generally found in cooler temperate areas of the northern hemisphere in both Europe and North America. It's prevalent here in northern Vosges Regional Nature Park. 72% of people got this right. And I had something else I wanted to say that I don't remember what. UNESCO added this park to its list of what? World Heritage Sites, Global Geoparks, or Biosphere Reserves. I have heard of World Heritage Sites. I have not heard of the other two, but I am curious now what a Global Geopark is. Biosphere Reserve. Okay, I was a bit curious about that too. 47% of people got this right. In 1998, Northern Vosges Regional Nature Park was recognized by UNESCO as a biosphere reserve. UNESCO has designated over 700 areas in 122 countries as biosphere reserves meant to demonstrate and study a balanced relationship between humanity and nature. Better luck next time. 1 out of 3. I want to say it's not luck, it's searching. Alright. Biosphere Reserve. See. Global Geosphere. Biosphere. Okay, I clicked on the wrong one. Let's just skip and let's see what being quote of the day. It's the little details that are vital. Little things make big things happen. John Wooden, American basketball coach. Details. Details are important. I won't tell stories. Nice work. 68-day streak. Okay, now, just because, I am now going to search Global Geosphere. Why is it? I'm not clicking on that. I ain't falling for that again. What is the geosphere? The geosphere is the Earth itself. What? Oh. Okay, so it's a good thing I didn't choose that one. I mean, obviously it was wrong, but alright. See you later.